I should slow down. Haha, big butt.
Down south and strapped up, car all black, yes, wrapped up and it's gassed up. We ready to roll straight out of church. Lord bless my soul. You can step to me if you'd like to meet him, but I'd keep your distance if you like breathing. We got more rounds and it keeps increasing. We give them out, you best believe it.
What's up, everybody? Oh man, it's been a while since I've been on the bike. I mean, not that long, but a couple weeks. My excuse was that it was raining every day, and it was, but this week it has not rained at all, but I'm only just now getting on the bike, and it is halfway through Friday. In a roundabout way, I'm trying to say I'm sorry for not making videos. Did you get that pun? You get it? Yeah, it's awful, I know, I'm sorry. I have been very busy, though. As of my last video, I was talking about starting a business, and now that is kind of completed, at least for the first parts. So I am now an official registered LLC owner. I finished my website. I say finished, I'm gonna constantly be making changes, I guess, but I've got my website ready. I'll put the link in the description if you guys want to see what I do on the side, my little side gig, my side hustle. That's now legal and I have to pay taxes on. Not that it wasn't legal before, wink, but I'm moving on up in the world. And if you didn't see my last video, I make subwoofer box designs. I actually make all sorts of audio designs. Basically, every speaker has a box that it's supposed to be in, and I design that box, per se. It's way more complicated than that, but that's the gist. And it is windy, boy! Oh yeah, oh yeah. I should slow down. Whoops. I don't know what the speed limit is. There it is. I'm going way faster than that. I expect to see lights in my rear view in just a moment. Whoop, whoop. That's the sound of the police. He's gaining on me. What do I do? Oh no. Do I run? I'm just kidding. I'm not going to do that. I plead ignorant. That's what I do. What if he like starts tailgating me and wanting me to go faster? He's like annoyed that I'm going the speed limit. I'm actually going 5 over, but whatever. He is still gaining on me though. He's running my plates and he's gonna see that I've done nothing wrong for like 2 whole years. And then he's gonna let me go. Saw, dudes. I'm going the speed limit, sir, now, I promise. Yeah, I don't know what this video just turned into, but yeah. Anyway. So yeah, I registered my business, I do that now. It's not my full-time job, I still work as an employee doing information technology stuff, saw dude. But this is my little side gig. That butt was a big butt, it was loud in my ears. Haha, big butt. And for once I'm not talking about your mom, haha. But anyway, that's really all I had. So yeah, I just thought I'd make that video and make something, because I feel like I haven't produced a video in a while. However, I am going to Savoy Automobile Museum very soon, and I'll be taking pictures and then uploading them like I normally do. We the people protect the second. True that, facts, word. Should I give this cop a little pull? Should I just do a little zoom? I'm just kidding. I want to, but I'm not going to. I've already incriminated myself on video enough. In other news, gas is under $3 in some places around here, which is absolutely amazing considering recent history of gas prices. It still sucks, man. It was like $1.70-ish around here when I first moved here 2 years ago. And then it over doubled and I was muy sad. Mucho sado. Yeah, that's right. I'm Spanish lingual. Yeah, bilingual. Oh, thank God. I actually probably know him. I work with a lot of them. There's a good chance he's even going where I'm going. I'm just going a different way. Oh yeah, railroad tracks. Boy. I know the GoPro smooth settings do not make that look as violent as it is, but they're very rough railroad crossings, I promise. I have to slow down in the Camaro or else I'll scrape, and that makes me mucho sado. But thanks for coming along with me today, guys, and watching my video. Oh, a deer. Oh, dear. I would just like to thank you again. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe if you're not subscribed, because if you don't, I'll find you.
And do unspeakable terrors.
Something's going on at this Roselawn Museum. I don't know what it is, but it's happening. Ugh. Huzzah, dudes. That's a lot of caution tape, man. Was there like an accident around here? Did someone die? Oh no, not again. Anyway, that's all I had. Again, I've made this like a really long, pointless outro with a ton of caveats? Whatever. Anyway, peace out, Girl Scouts. I'll catch you next time. Always remember, the Queen's dead and you can't bring her back. Cope. Oh boy, I was right. I was right. That's him. Oh yeah. At my destination. Okay, bye.